Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2020-24 Dauntless. What a phenomenal boat this is. It's a white hull boat. It's got the hard T-top on it, and it's also powered by the 300 Mercury. Plenty of speed, plenty of get up for this boat. Let's hop on and see the rest. Here we are on board the 24 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's got the power pole up there, so it's really set up nicely for the backwater fishing, especially. Then as we move inside, you got a really nice folding down seats with the backrest on this is higher than normal, so it's very supportive on it. You can put 4 adults comfortably. As we move to the console, you've got a very large live well, so it'll hold all the bait for a full day of fishing here. So really nice setup with rod holders in it as well. And as we move to the helm area, it's set up where we didn't bring this one in with electronics, so you can pick whatever electronics you want, and you can pick the Ray Marine, Garmin, whatever you want. You can add it right on there. So you've got trim tabs on it, digital throttle, and as we move around to the head area for a 24-foot boat, it's really large, and it's a pump-out head, so plenty of room for storing stuff, changing clothes, all that type of thing. So plenty of room down in the head. As we move to the bow, it's got a comfy seat here with rod holders and drink holders, and you also have a second live well. So 2 different baits, nice setup here. Big sunning area here, and if you also want to go for lounging, both of these will come up. So this is what it looks like when it's set up. So really supportive and comfortable for 2 people to lounge facing forward, plenty of room. And you also have the sun pad filler cushion with a real large fish box underneath it, so you've got plenty of room for that. You got a remote control for the stereo, and it's usually very easy to get on and off the boat onto the beach if you beach it from the bow. So boat is a perfect boat for, especially down around here. It does the inland waters great, also does the Gulf great as well. So if you got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.